Hey everybody, it's Kyle with the Country Carving Channel. Today we're out in the backyard. It's finally nice enough here in Calgary to do some work outside. I'm going to do a video on how to finish your carvings. We're going to do a varnish and how to add a hanger onto the back of a wood spirit. So please stay tuned and we'll jump right in. Okay, we're all set up here. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of projects on the go here, but I'm going to focus on just doing the wood spirits for the video. As you're doing these different projects, it's good to kind of build them up, varnish a whole bunch of stuff at once. So first off, you need to just really stir the varnish. So I'm going to get that up here and just stir that. I've already stirred it a bit. You just want to really stir that up. You'll be able to see on the label, but it always says to not shake it. Now you can see this does look a bit cloudy, but it will dry clear, and it gives the wood a nice warm look and really lets the grain pop. So I use just a nice small paintbrush. Pretty much you can use anything. I'd try to buy a decent brush because you work hard to make your carving. You might as well spend the time and effort to finish them properly. Okay, so we will just grab one of these. Now typically you want to do 2 to 3 coats of this. So you just put a bit on and then just start to paint it on the carving. And just work it in all the different little cracks. Get it right in the eyes, because we have a pretty deep eye on these. Now, you'll want to just keep working it, because you don't want any spots where there's a whole bunch of varnish, which is what I have right now. So the other thing you'll want to do is you'll actually want to varnish the entire piece of wood. This protects the whole wood, it seals it, keeps any bugs out, and just gives you a nice finished product. Okay, you just want to make sure you're getting all the excess bits around. Like I said, we will do 2 to 3 coats of this, so don't have to get it perfect. Okay, and then you can see I've got these pieces of wood here. Just keeps it up a little bit so you can keep it up and let the back dry nicely. Okay, we're back and we're going to just do the second coat. Usually the second coat actually goes a lot faster because the grain in the wood is already a bit sealed. So we're going to do our second coat and then take and let that dry again for a couple hours. Okay, and there you have it. I'll probably do one more coat on these and then we'll put the backer on. Okay, we're back and we've got the carving here. I did end up doing 3 coats on it, and right now I'm going to show you just putting a nice little bracket so it hangs easily. So I've got the bracket here, and I'm going to put that right on the back of the carving with 2 little nails. So just gives it a good finish. I've seen many ways of doing this before, just taking a drill and drilling a hole in, but I've always added these. So I usually put it about 3/4 of the way up. And I've got it on a towel here just so I don't actually hurt the front side of the carving in any way. And this can be tricky sometimes, it is a little nail. Just get it started. Okay, get the other one in. And as easy as that. And then you've got your nice little hanger. And so should be good to go. So got the finished product now, varnished. This one has 3 coats on it and the hanger. So it's all finished. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, please hit the subscribe button, support the channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Great, thanks everybody.